today.
Compared to last year, right? Last year was the first one I'd done, like.
All the year, this is the third year I think we've been here. But this people last year when it went down, people started packing in last year. And it's, the only people this year now is exhibitors.
I know.
It's not advertised.
That's the trouble with everything around here.
Not you've got a Sunderland, yes, you've got a
It's got sound on this one. I don't know if the camera will pick up the sound, will it? That's good. Lovely sound, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the Manor class. Like the technical box. Yeah, it's all full of that. Did you couldn't get that through? Of the train was passing it. I think it's got a whistle on one of them. Building up there in Kerry, we could do a massive track.
Oh, you could do, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, you know.
I have used those once or twice to try to do faces with one of your plastic yeah.
The other day I was thought about I was making a pea ration cartons, you know? They just fold up and glue them together. We started building some of them. That Jumbo Sherman I was finishing yesterday, and I put stowage on the front. I got this rope. I was making a pea ration cartons, you know? They just fold up and glue them together. We started building some of them.
I can't see as much building in one of these as there is in the actual log.
Well, this comes off. This is a clip top.
The batteries are just about shot. Well, that's not quite true. I put some second-hand batteries in because the real ones have gone completely. It's lasted 2 years. I mean, these trucks here can tow the 3 or 4 trucks. And every truck came in, front wheels off, drums off, track tested. If they're fine, throw back on, wheels back on, everything sorted, and kick the truck back out again.
Do it now, and it's all civil, and we finally got the double.
Well, they did this flick. No, 88 to 91, I think.
Normally, when I was at Normandy Barracks, 20 tank was transported the truck down the corner. Down the road.
And the Sean Connery.
Yeah.
Oh, it was about them. Because they're running about 100 quid extra for Sean Connery.
Yes, that's it. Well, I'd ordered it 3 years before,
Yeah.
and they were doing it at a certain price. So.
That's why
One of the old mannies.
who's in there? Is that the new iPhone? I don't know, it could be. Oh dear. I don't know what the voicemail number is. You know, it's a... Yeah, every time on the joint. I've gone up the wrong track. Let's uncouple that truck first.
Yep. Oh, too late. Gone too far. That's it.
A few years back. That was a cracking car. But then they bought the place in Land. Yeah, gone off again.
They were on.
Now they're on.
Yes, yeah. Yes, I thought when I left here, I thought I wasn't the last time I was the best league I was working. But I was allowed one. And I kind of thought I was something like, I'd rather go. Very expensive, yes, the wooden one. That's beautiful. Wait. And 5 and then I had